open up your eyes, cause the thing that you're doing brings us closer to demise. Listen up, world, I wanna tell you about my neighbor, the big boy on the block, the one with all the flavor. See, he's got a short temper, a pocket full of cash, to hit a fender bender, not sorry, then dash. And if you come at him and make a simple claim, they'll call you sensitive and then strap you to a chain. He calls himself a man, but I think he's just a bitch. In Afghanistan, he's got the trigger finger twitch. I'd wish he'd lighten up, sit with me and smoke a bowl, but his ego's acting up, so I keep him at a cold distance, because he's just the type of guy who will tell you that it's cool, but we know it's just a lie. Hey neighbor, we don't like what you're doing. Hey neighbor, who you think that you're fooling? Hey neighbor, you gotta open up your eyes, cause the thing that you're doing brings us closer to demise. Hey neighbor, we don't like what you're doing. Hey neighbor, who you think that you're fooling? Hey neighbor, you gotta open up your eyes, cause the thing that you're doing brings us closer to demise. You see, back when we were kids, me and my neighbor used to wrestle. I admit I was a bully, bombed his hoppers with a vessel, but that's just how it was. I had a tyrant for a father. It's because of him that I wanted to be larger, so I made my own mistakes, and surely they don't end. But I fixed a lot of things, even my neighbor is my friend. I wish that I could say that his friendship's on a curse. It just seems that every day his fits are getting worse. He wants to rule the world, that gets mad when we resist. It's like not taking a hint from the girl that you persist. So neighbor, I've got a message for you, buddy. Watch your way you walk, because your soul is getting muddy. Hey neighbor, we don't like what you're doing. Hey neighbor, who you think that you're fooling? Hey neighbor, you gotta open up your eyes, cause the thing that you're doing brings us closer to demise. Hey neighbor, we don't like what you're doing. Hey neighbor, who you think that you're fooling? Hey neighbor, you gotta open up your eyes, cause the thing that you're doing brings us closer to demise. It's simple not to care, forget the power he possesses, but my neighbor doesn't share and stays for hours in the trenches. What the fuck, neighbor? All this misbehavior, the world is heavy heaving and it needs a respirator. Take it from your buddy, your pals and even enemies. All of us are saying that you're straining on our energy. Relax a little bit, take a hit and make a list. To destroy the iron fist should be first thing on the list. Forget preaching for the rights of other nations, if the gays up in your nation are still fighting for relations. And don't get me started on the treatment of minorities. In America we go descending a priority. Your sobriety depends on giving up on war. I know it makes you money, but come on, there's other ways to score. 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 Hey neighbor, there's other ways to score. There's other ways to score. There's other ways to score. Hey neighbor, haha. Oh, neighbor, you're a funny guy, you know that? Alright, I'm gonna go masturbate now. Peace.